Hi guys, I'm your channel. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to Niagara Falls. Yes, you heard it, Niagara Falls. Guys, this is the boat train. Look at the beautiful lake on my way to Niagara Falls. This is the local bus in Niagara. And this is the street view in Niagara Falls. And there are so much fun stuff to do in this street. And I went to the Wax Museum and there are many statues of celebrities. I played some games at the fun activity zone. These are the tickets I won and I'm gonna feed it to ticket eater. Hi guys, this is Niagara Falls. This is the Canadian view of Niagara Falls. Also there's zip lines. We bought the cruise tickets and we went nearby the Niagara Falls. This is the bridge which is connected to USA and Canada. And this is the USA cruise, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.